All right, welcome back to Crypto's Rich Boy. Today we are doing day two of Purpe. Guys, we have some exciting stuff going on in the Purpe space. Just came out of the Telegram live chat or the Telegram voice chat. Guys, I am pumped up, ready to go. Got my Mountain Dew, and I am ready to get Purpe-ish. All right, guys, look at this. This guy right here is like, let's go, baby. So we have Purpe coming in, guys, at 2283. We had a market cap. It's been hovering kind of around that $1 million. I'm a little sad that we're not over that million right now. I was like, I saw it go up to a million, and I was like, let's go. And then it just dipped right underneath. It was like, haha, crypto's rich boy. We are not gonna let we're gonna tease you just a little bit. So hopefully on the live, you guys can get this over $1 million market cap. Let's go, guys. All right, so let's take a look at a couple things. We got the X account continuing to be very, very strong at keeping up with the socials. I actually, heard from the dev today, really cool guy, and it sounds like he has some very, very awesome plans for Perpe. So we got a lot of exciting stuff to be excited about. All right, so we got, look at that, Perpe and Pepe. It's like Perpe is like, hey, I'm you, but on Solana. Let's go, guys. Let's go. So, fun fact, I learned that this was actually created last year, and the dev he kind of created it, moved on to some other things, not really other projects that he created, but kind of just degenning it, kind of like all of us, just you know, just getting into all these projects. And then a couple days ago, he was like, "Hey, this thing's ready to go. Let me go ahead, get in. Let's go ahead and push this." He got Chris from Wall Street Bets to kind of back him per se. And guys, this I think is going to be absolutely amazing. Everybody loves green, but purple and black and green are the colors of Solana. I learned that is why the color scheme was created the way it was, and I am definitely, definitely loving it because I'm telling you guys, if this makes me a millionaire, I'm getting my Lamborghini. I'm gonna put the purple frog right there on the side, and I'm gonna be driving around and showing off what Perpe has done for me. So, let's go ahead and check out the charts. We got some very, very bullish guys. Come on. We only need 19,000. Let's go. Let's get it up there. You gotta pump it. Let's go. Let's get it up there, guys. I mean, the RSI is looking very, very juicy right now. Very, very nice. And man, this chart's looking good. It actually, let's see what we got. We made a higher low here. We had the spinning top, and so we are definitely looking at some bullish price action, and we are 104% up for the day. Let's go ahead and take this to the full screen, and the good thing is we are above that 50 RSI, so that is something that's very positive. We had, look at this, guys. We had this support right here, which was, let's see, so this is 5 minute chart. Let me go ahead and do the 1 hour chart. So it's a little easier for me to kind of comprehend and get it going. So something very, very bullish is we had this previous top right here, and we keep bouncing off of it. We had one bounce, two bounce, three bounce, and so that is something that is very bullish, and that is something that I am very, very bullish on. So as long as we can kind of continue to stay above these levels here at the let's see, 1809, about the 18 levels, we should be looking very, very good for the long term. We have let's see. So I know this chart was kind of going based off of last night, so let's go ahead and take a look at the chart today. So let's see. Let's go ahead and make these lines right here. So where are we looking at? So we have the horizontal. Let's see. So let's see, right about here. So as you can see, we did one touch back here. We had another, it tried to break out right here, kind of came back, flipped that to, let's see what we got. So we have some good support right there. We had the support there. And this is going to continue. I believe we are just kind of trading sideways, accumulating. People are accumulating. Let's see. So we have another one right there. And let's see. So it's fun kind of finding these levels of support and resistance, and TA support and resistance are something that you really got to pay attention to. So that is something that I'm excited about. So let's see what we got going on. So like I said, the RSI on the hourly, it has bounced off of this, guys. It is making its way up. That means that the buying pressure has picked up a little bit in the last, let's see. So it bounced off of it around, what is that, 6 my time. So I'm in the Eastern Standard Time. So it's been about a little under 3 hours. So in the last 2 or 3 hours, we have really picked back up. The Bulls came in. It's like, nope, we're not going to do it. We're not going to let you guys go below this 16 level. And they brought it right back up. And now we are looking at over the 2 level. So that is absolutely bullish. Let's go. So let's see what else we got. So let's see if we can draw some other trend lines right here and see what we got going on. So it does look like we have kind of this trend line right here. Let's see. Boom. Let's go. All right. So we got this trend line, which actually goes all the way back here, which is really cool to see. So this is just bouncing off of this support right here. And then we have the resistance. Let's see. Oh, I think I did it. Well, we could do kind of like a midterm resistance right there. And then let's see, and then we're gonna do our upper resistance channel. Right, maybe we could do it from here. Yeah, I think that's a good way to put it. So we have this channel right here that we're kind of bouncing in and out of, and this has to break it. So I think what I see what's gonna happen is this gonna come all the way up. I feel like we're gonna hit the threes, guys. I feel like we're gonna hit the threes pretty soon. I mean, like I said, we're bouncing off of this 50. We're going up to that 60 level RSI, which means that there's more buyers than sellers, which is absolutely positive and absolutely a very bullish thing. Um, so purple Pepe or um or Purpe. Let's go. So let me see. Let me see. Let me go check. Has this notified people yet? I don't think it's. I think YouTube doesn't like to notify people because it is not notifying. Let me see. Yeah, go ahead and like this video, guys. That the way YouTube works is the more likes versus watches, it is going to kind of push up the YouTube algorithm, and we are definitely going to um get some more traction from that, right? We're gonna definitely get some more traction. I was just notified the presidential debate is happening. That's probably why probably everybody's watching that. I was like, I'm going to my live and I'm like, yo, there's only like oh, there's 3 people. Okay, cool. So let's continue. Let's continue. Let's get Purpe. So so for those of you guys that missed it, we are just trading in this channel right now, man. So let's see, let's go ahead and push this back a little bit. 1 million market cap, let's go, baby. 1 million market cap. That deserves, a Mountain Dew, like, let's go. Cheers. So, 1 million market cap, guys, it was absolutely crazy. I was saying yesterday, I was like, let's push this to 1 million. It was at like 750,000. We actually were able to do it. I know earlier we actually pushed above that 1 million mark. Guys, this is going much more further. I really think that we are just touching the tip of the iceberg right now. We're touching the tip of the iceberg, and I feel like we have a lot more room to grow. And I'm going to continue to do these lives. It looks like I'm getting a lot of support from the dev, a lot of support from the community. So that is what drives me. What drives me is support from the community, support from the dev. Um, Obviously, the price stable or going up. And right now, unless someone sold a bunch, I think I'm in profit. I got in, I think around the 15, something like that. I was told, I knew about it earlier in the morning. So it was my fault why I didn't get in earlier. Wall Street Bets, they posted it earlier in the morning when I heard I could have got in for a lot lower than that. But oops, excuse me. But I kind of yo, what's up, David? Debate starts at 9. Oh, so I'm good. I'm good. I got 15 minutes to wow you guys, and and to make you guys realize that we are in for a wild ride. We have quarter four, I think, is going to be absolutely epic. We have quarter one of 2025 that's going to be absolutely epic, especially if we get a presidential candidate that is pro crypto. I don't know about Biden. I mean, it seems like, wants to tax us like $1 jillion, but I know Trump is pro crypto, and I think Kennedy is too. So there's a couple of presidential candidates. I don't know if Kennedy's still in the running though. I don't know. I don't really get into that too much. I just get into the crypto side. Whatever's going to benefit my bags, that's what I am rooting for. So we are definitely in for a wild ride. And right now, guys, it's all about getting us out there, getting our name out there, making everybody aware of the purple Pepe or Purpe. Let's go. Um, so it's kind of cool in the Telegram live. The dev like brought his dog and he was like, hold. So guys, if the dog says hold, you hold. That is. So you fill them bags, you hold, you fill them more, you hold, you fill them even more, and you hold. And you know what? It's easy to hold when we're 106% up for the day. Look at this, 106% up for the last 24 hours. Absolutely crazy, guys. This is absolutely making me feel like this is going to blow. Um so let's see what else we got. I'll revisit the TA here in a couple of minutes. Let's see. If you guys want, go ahead and throw some stuff in the chat. Let's get some chat going. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and like the video. The more subscribers, the more video likes I have, the more it motivates me to continue to do this. All other than my bag. So obviously my bag is going to motivate me. But it works as a team player. Look at that, guys. This thing is like fighting. It's like, yo, I'm gonna be $1 million or more, whether you like it or not. Let's go do this. 999.29. Can we get over $1 million? Oh, look at that, guys. We are at $1 million market cap once again. We have circulating supply 420.68 billion and total supply 420.69 billion. So this was created, I believe, around like a month or two after the original Pepe on Ethereum, and this is meant to be the Pepe on Solana. If you guys were not here a couple minutes ago, it kind of goes with the Solana colors, purple, green, and black. And guys, Solana might be fueling up to rocket. I've been hearing that the Solana ETFs are in the works. And if that's the case, Solana's going to the moon. And if that's the case, even without it, but I said it's definitely gonna help us out a lot more. But strap up for a wild, wild ride because we are definitely going to do it. So look at this, guys. This is pretty sweet. So it kind of came back up and it broke the support, came back up, was like, yeah, no, we want to be back up here. And so it kind of broke the resistance, turned it back into support, and now we are definitely we're getting those buys in. Look at that, 24. I think the highest I seen it was like 29. I don't know if it hit the threes yet today. Let's see. We can tell if we let's make this bigger. Oh, we did. We hit the threes officially. So guys, you know what they say, once you hit it once, it's a matter of time before it gets back up there. And once we pass those threes, we're going in price discovery mode. Price discovery mode goes and that means that there are no sellers at that point and they that means that we have a lot of room to grow. Over the weekend, there is there's going to be somebody dressing up in a purple frog suit doing some tricks on a skateboard and that is a really really cool marketing play that the dev is kind of doing in the works or having in the works, so that is something that I feel like is going to get some traction. I mean, if you saw a purple frog, wouldn't you guys want to be like, what project is this for? Let me get in. If you saw a purple frog on a skateboard, like that is going to be absolutely, it's going to be epic. Now all we need is a purple frog to go skydiving. Anybody want to put on a purple frog suit and go skydiving? I mean, I think that would be kind of cool. Well, I already got my job as the YouTuber. I'll let somebody else do the skydiving part. I'm a little nervous of heights, especially jumping out of a plane. But if you guys are, I'm a DJ, not a daredevil. So, some people say it's the same, but we'll see. So, man, this stuff really works, man. If you guys have not tried, it's the Mountain Dew Zero Sugar Major Melon. Awesome, 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 awesome. So, um, so I think what we need to do is, so we broke this support to really solidify it as support. We need to come back, kind of test it, and then bounce off of it and go, and make our way upwards. So when in doubt, zoom out. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got for the daily. I mean, oh, okay. I forgot. It was only, okay, maybe not the daily. Let's go 4 hour. All right. So 4 hour. Wow, this is bullish, guys. This is absolutely bullish. Do you want to know why? Look what happened. We had this support, I mean, we had this resistance right here. It came up, broke down, came back up, made a doji, which is meaning halting. But the bullish part about this is normally a doji, more times than not, it I mean it depends. It depends whether it reverses or whether it continues. So this doji candle printed another green candle, came back up here, rejected this resistance, came here, reject bounced off the support, and now we are trying to bounce back in and past these levels right here, which is this support level or resistance level. Once it flips into support, we are looking pretty good. And then the RSI came up, did overbought, came up, did overbought, and now we have it coming up, trying to get back into that overbought territory. But as long as it's over this 50 range, we are doing pretty good. And the buying pressure is going to be absolutely amazing. Let me see something really quick. So yeah, price discovery. Let me see. Post link. I thought I did. Let me see. Oh, you know what? Oops. Maybe that's why. I don't think I post the official link in there. Hold on, give me a second, guys. Let me post the link. I was like, I think I posted the wrong link. Oops. Let me see. There we go. Join the live. Let's go. All right, guys. See if we can get some more people up in here. We gotta pump it up, right? We gotta pump it up. Yeah, there's a reason why I do TA and not American Idol. I'm not a very good singer, so it's okay. It's okay. We gotta pump it up. Let's go. So let's go back to the let's go back to the hour candle. Look at that, man. That is beautiful. It came up. Boom. You know what this means, guys? This means that our next stop is up here, right? So let's see, we print one. Hold on, let me see something real quick. So the next stop should be in the threes. That's what I really see. I see that once we're bouncing off this RSI, I think we bounced off these levels. We need to break the 2.5 levels, and then we are going to come up and test these three levels. And the market cap is hovering around that million. So I don't really see it hard to do. I don't see it hard to do hitting these levels. So that is going to be something that I believe that we're going to get there, and I believe that we're going to get there fast. And I think so you got to think quarter two is ending this week. So tomorrow's Friday. So this is in the traditional markets, tomorrow's the last day that that things can trade and be considered in quarter two. After Monday, when the markets open up, they're going to be in quarter one. I'm in live in Telegram. Yo, what's up, Joseph? That's funny. That's awesome. Yeah, I know. I was gonna wait till 9, but then I was just like, well, you know, um, they took like a little pause, so I was like, let me just go ahead and start the live now. But hopefully, uh, hopefully you're a good multitasker, but because I don't know, I try to multitask sometimes, but it is what it is. But let's go, let's do this. So. Man, this is beautiful. Like this chart is looking ace. It's looking like it's primed, ready to blow, ready to go up. And so we are definitely looking, I think, at some bullish price action. I've been able to get a couple people in. I've gotten 3 people in so far, and working on some more. Working on some more. Some are more skeptical than others, just about any project. And let's see, the reverb between the two is hilarious. That's funny. That is funny. I know. Maybe I should have waited. Maybe I should have waited to do my live. But I have a buddy coming over in a little bit, and I was like, yo, I promise Purpe a live, and I'm gonna keep my promise. So I started a little bit early. So but normally I do it a little bit later. And I guess the presidential election starts in like 4 minutes, or the presidential debate starts in about 4 minutes. So we have that going on as well. Let's go check out some of these memes, guys. These memes are hilarious. They're like awesome. Look, guys, this is who I want to be one day. I'm just gonna spray paint myself purple, and um, and go like work out like 10 times harder. I mean, I work out a little bit, but I gotta work out like 10 times harder to look like this guy. And if I don't like this guy, it's okay. I still have the picture. I still have the picture to be able to look at and kind of envy. So we got Perpe and Pepe shaking hands. Let's go. Look at this. Hi, I'm Perpe. Am here to break the matrix or break matrix. So, breaking the matrix. Look at this. Waking up, feeling strong. Woke up and chose violence. That's funny. Um, let's go. So we got that going on. We got the Forbes magazine. You know what's crazy? I actually know somebody who writes for Forbes. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. He actually writes for crypto too. I didn't know that. I go to church with him. So he actually told me that the other day, and I was like, wait, what? You actually write for Forbes? Crazy, crazy stuff. So maybe if we start breaking these barriers, I might be like, hey, he actually did an article with me for Pepe, so be kind of cool if we can get Purpe in there too. I might tell him when I see him on Sunday, like, yo, I got into a new thing. What a day. Good night. Yo, so this is what I am dreaming about as well. I found the project. in Wall Street Bets Monday and hopped in. The community here is definitely legit. So I definitely be holding and adding to my bag. Let's go, Joseph. We got this. Yeah, I definitely I took it's actually crazy. I took the rest of my Solana projects. It was only like two or three, and I like I just kind of like got rid of them all, and I hopped into Purpe. So I am all in for my Solana bags on Purpe, which is a couple grand. So we will see where this goes and where this takes us. This is fine. Perpe higher. It was funny. I like they if you type the word higher in the chat, it actually I don't know if it brings up this. It brings up a really funny meme, a really cool meme. So yeah, I also seen this in Wall Street Bets. But I was a little late. I wish I would have caught it Monday. I wish I would have caught it Monday, but it's okay. I caught it yesterday. I caught it at like a 600,000 market cap, which I got in a Pepe at $100 million market cap. So it's definitely a huge difference. And I think with Wall Street Bets kind of pushing this, I think we will definitely get into the like 10 million, 20 million, 50 million, 100 million very, very soon. Imagine buying, guys, just imagine that. Imagine buying right now, and then like in a month from now, we're at like four zeros and flipping like $1,000 or into like 10 grand and like 10xing. That'll be absolutely crazy and absolutely amazing. And I really, really think that we can definitely do that. I really do. I think that it seems like everybody's like really legit. The devs legit, the team, the people behind it, the people that are promoting it. Really, really legit all around. So I am super excited, and this is definitely going to be something that I'm a long-term holder, right? I'm a long-term holder. I got my bags. I'm gonna hold, gonna continue to do these lives. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and like the video because I want you guys to be able to see when I do these lives and not miss out. So Purple Pepe has just entered Solana Dex Tool Hot Pairs. So this was 20 hours ago, guys. 20 hours ago, we entered into Solana Dex Tools Hot Pairs. That is absolutely crazy and absolutely amazing. The new king of Solana is here. Hey, I believe it. We got Pepe, running E, and we got Perpe running Solana. Let's do it. When you finally hit your first 1,000, Perpe higher. Let's go, guys. Oh yeah, they gave me a shout out. So shout out to them for giving me a shout out. Go ahead and subscribe. Let's do this, guys. Can you guys get me to 4,000 subs? By the end of quarter three? That is the question. It's like 3 months. 3 months. All you gotta do is like that's like 400 people, right? A little over 400 people. I think you guys could do it, guys. This, like I was saying earlier, there's going to be someone that is dressing up in a purple frog suit and doing some skateboarding tricks. And that is coming. That's being filmed, I believe, this week. So that's gonna be really cool. All in on Purpe. Guys, this is me. I'm gonna be the guy that's all in on Purpe, making that money and doing my thing. Let's go. Yo, look at that. It's going so fast, so hard. It is just kind of on fire. Frogs on fire. Let's do this. Man. I'm loving these Lamborghini picks. Getting a purple Lambo. I'm telling you, if this makes me a millionaire, I'm getting a black Lamborghini, probably black, and putting the purple frog and saying, thanks Purpe for making this happen. And I'm gonna ride that thing all around town and just kind of show out, show off, and I bet you it's gonna turn some heads. Imagine riding in your Lamborghini and having a Purpe symbol on the side of your Lambo. Definitely, definitely turn some heads and it's crazy. Look at that. Look at this. The 26th. We just broke a zero and we're on the 27th and we're already like double. That is crazy, guys. We are double. Look at this. What did I tell you? What did I tell you? I said, guys, we're going to come and test this support and look what we are doing. Hold on, let me see. I think 15 minutes was it? Look what we're doing, guys. we are doing exactly what we gotta bounce off of this RSI. We gotta bounce off of this support. We had three green candles, so we needed that bounce. So, I would say we might have a little bit. We might go down like the low 23s before we bounce, and then we'll start working our way up, and that is kind of the most bullish case scenario. I don't really like talking about the bearish case scenario, but if we are, we'll probably come down here and test the 21s. I think that is really the bearish case scenario, and we have, let's see, we have it right. Look at that. Oh, well, hold on, let me see. Well, it doesn't take effect until the it closes. So on the 15th, it may come back and test. Let's see, is that in the right spot? No, like maybe like right. No, that is in the right spot, right about there. So guys, we might be coming back to test either this line right here at the 21s or 20s, which is not bad. Which is not bad. I mean, like I said, guys, you got to think. We literally just were breaking a zero. So for it to have a cool off period, accumulation phase, or at least we're not in capitulation. Capitulation is just like so we're not doing that yet. So this is very positive, is we're not in the capitulation stage, we are in the accumulation stage, and we are still in this trend. So as long as we don't break under the 21s actually, or even if we come down, we have to close the candle above the 21s, we are still looking bullish. So, what I see is maybe a quick drop down, bounce off of this, open up the next 15 minutes, and kind of making a green ending here, and then kind of seeing what happens from there, and seeing what we have from there. So we'll kind of see what we are doing at that point. So awesome. Looks like we have six people in the chat, which is definitely, hey, it's decent. It's decent for my second night. Six people. I mean, that's pretty decent. I mean, you got to think. Um, it's consistency, right? And I haven't been on for probably like 2 or 3 months. It's actually funny. I actually looked at the old project I was promoting, and they actually just like made a new Telegram and like started from scratch. And like they're like probably like, yo, forget you, like um, you know. But I didn't choose to leave. I was kind of told by the people. It was Crazy Frog. I was kind of told like, hey, you gotta stop kind of copyright. But I was trying to get him on board. I mean, maybe I shouldn't have done that. I literally tagged him on Twitter and was like, "Hey, I'll send you some tokens. Do you want to be on board?" But what I think happened is I think they were trying to start their own, and I really think that's what happened. I think they were trying to start their own project, probably on Solana, because this was on ETH. And I bet you what happened is they probably they probably were like, "Yeah, you're our competitor." So we're not gonna be able to, we don't want you to do your thing. So anyway, I think, and also the dev wasn't even around at that point, so who knows? Maybe the dev got asked to stop as well, on that particular project. But luckily, dev is here on Purpe, so it looks like we have all the green lights, purple lights to go, and we are definitely looking at some bullish momentum. It almost looks like there's another line of support. Oh, no, hold on, let me see. So let me go ahead and do this horizontal line, because it looks like there's another line of support like right there. Yeah, we got let's see, one touch, two touch, three touch. Guys, I think we're about to flip around. I really do. I feel like it's not even going to touch this. If it does, I'll be surprised. And if it does, I think it'll be something like a wick, kind of like this. It'll kind of touch it, come down a little bit, and then go back up really quick. Um, it's crazy because I have more capital, and I really want to. I mean, I don't. Well. I do and I don't. So I get Crow, I get rewards. I'm in Crow. If you guys don't haven't heard of their Earn program, I'm in Crow, and so I locked a bunch of money up. Like I took a bunch of money from my Pepe winnings. Like I said, I paid off my house with Pepe, and hopefully Purpe can buy me my Lambo. Right? That'll be pretty sweet. Pepe paid off the house. Purpe bought the Lambo. Boom! Let's go, baby. Let's do this. Oh man, I really want to write Mountain Dew and be like, hey, can you guys sponsor Purpe, please? Like, just can you guys be our sponsor? I will do a video multiple times a week, for Purpe. If you guys can just sponsor me, because you guys are what gives me energy to make it through the day. I get up at 6:45 in the morning, and yeah. So anyway, pretty pretty fun stuff. So. Let's see what else we got going on. So let's see. It's kind of breaking this line right now. So it's okay though. It's okay. Like I said, we need the consolidation. We need the accumulation, consolidation. As long as it's not capitulation, we are good. Like this red capitulation. So I did hear that there was like a whale, I think, that has already gotten out. So that's positive. That is really positive. So that whale has gotten out. And if we look, let's go do another thing. Let's go do another thing. Where am I looking at? I kind of get into this chart. There we go. Kind of got it. So let's go ahead and go ahead. Yo, it's kind of funny. Like, I don't know if it's gonna show on here about my phone. It's like recently searched, and I've actually like searched it like quite a bit. So, recently searched. Let's see. We have, I think it's Soul Scan. Let's go ahead and take a look at the holders. So we have the holders right here, guys. The top holder holds about 4%. The next one holds about another 4%. We have the Radium Vault, which is I think the like liquidity pool. Yeah, liquidity pool right here. And then everybody else owns like 2.5% or less. So I'm pretty sure one of these are Deb. I don't I want to imagine that the other one might be maybe like a marketing or some sort of that. And then or maybe like a co-dev dev. I know he said he made it with some buddies that are helping him out. Um, so that's kind of cool. And then you have um let's see, how many holders? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I should say how many holders are here. Page 1 of 149. You know what? I know there's an easier way, but let's just go do this. So right now, we go all the way to the end, and my internet's probably running slow because it should. Wait, what? Hold on. Let me see. All the way to the end. It should show me. That's so weird. Maybe somebody since I've gotten on has stopped holding or something. Why is this doing this? So let me see. It should say how many holders there are total. Well, I guess this wants to be a little difficult. So let's go ahead. I think actually, you know what? I believe holders 1.48 thousand. So 1,480 holders. Let's go. Clips needs to mute mic on Telegram. What's up in NXBX skins? What's going on? Oh, he's still on the Telegram. My bad. I didn't um I didn't realize that the live was still going on. Yeah, I didn't mean to how do I say it? To interfere. Just kind of took the opportunity when he stepped away for a second, and now I am kind of on here. So let me see something. Uh, looks like we got two people. Sweet. So thank you guys for tuning in. Much love for the support. And let's see what else we can talk about. Let's go. Let me get some more energy, guys. Let me get some more energy. Woo, let's go. So, Solana, let me talk about Solana real quick. So, like I said, the ETF seems like it's gonna is kind of in the works. And so when that ETF gets approved, I have a feeling. So that means Bitcoin's going to be approved. We're going to have Ethereum approved, and then we're going to have Solana approved. So with those three approved, that's crazy. So Perpe on Solana is going to benefit, right? So we're going to benefit from Solana being approved. And so that's going to be absolutely amazing because we're gonna have people that feel more confident getting into Solana, coins. And like it was said earlier, we have a lot of these Solana meme coins, they just kind of like they launch and then they kind of go away. But the cool thing about this is it's over a year old technically, even though it was like really just launched a couple days ago. The contract was made last year. So people see this, they're like, wow, the contract is that old. Wow, there's over 1,000 holders. Wow. The contract is renounced, the audit's complete. Like let's go look at these like let's see, audits disclaimer. Yeah, I know. So this is awesome. Contract is verified, not a honeypot. For those of you guys who do not know what a honeypot is, you don't want to know what a honeypot is. This means this is a very good sign that this is not a honeypot because this means you could buy and you could sell. If this was a honeypot, you could buy. I don't know if you ever saw those if you go to a project, a couple years ago, I got kind of sucked into a honeypot. I was like, yo, this is only going green. This is amazing. It's going up. And I got in, and then I tried to sell, and I couldn't get out. And I was like, oh, what the crap? Like, I can't get out. And so, lesson learned. It is a honey pot. It was a honey pot. So, that project was. So, Perpe, not a honey pot. Very good thing to know. So, buy and sell tax is zero. No more is mintable. So that means that there is a set amount. Um, let's see. Tax modification. So the tax cannot be modified. And the scam risk is, not as little to none. And then other risks, no. So guys, this has a very good audit scan, which is very positive. And so that's one thing that you guys should look for. If you guys also have not done it, all you got to do is you could take the contract address, go over to let's see, where is it? It's come on. I have like three monitors, so sometimes my mouse likes to go one way or the other. So, forget it. Let's just do this. So Sniffer, not Soul Scan, Soul Sniffer. So all you gotta do is go over to Soul Sniffer, do sniff tokens, take the contract address, go ahead and paste it in here, and this has a 87. Let's go. So 87 is pretty good, guys. Anything, anything over like 80 and above, I try to kind of stick with, and the only reason why is low liquidity provider count. That means that I found this out yesterday that only the dev kind of has there's only like one or two liquidity providers, so the dev kind of put it in, and it was recently deployed, but it wasn't recently deployed. It was recently deployed, not created. So there's a difference between created and deployed, so you got to keep that. So look at all these check marks. This is what I love to see. So this is absolutely amazing. And liquidity $49,000. Let's go, baby. Let's go. So let's see what we got. Purpe. We got at 2213. And so let's see, guys. Hit up the chat. Any questions, concerns, anything you guys want to say? David, what's up? The Telegram keeps telling me it's private. I can't log into it. Whoops, what in the world just happened here? So there we go. Um, so if there is a mod or an admin in the chat, uh, maybe I will see. I will see. So if you want to put your handle maybe in this chat, I think in XVX, I think you're a mod. Maybe you guys can check that out, see what's going on with David's Telegram. Why it's private. Oh, you want to know what it could be as well? You have to do the verification that you're not a bot. So once you enter in, there should be a thing that says like click here if you're human. Just you should be able to click that. If not, I think you can leave it and re-enter and click that. If not that, it could be. I'm not too sure what else it could be. So like I said, anybody in the chat that can help David, that would be amazing. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's see what we got on X. So that is something that is pretty bullish. 831 followers, guys. I think this was what like 600 yesterday, 700. So that is pretty bullish right there that there is so many followers in uh on the X account on the Twitter. So it's kind of funny because we were kind of talking in the Telegram chat earlier, and it's kind of like we were kind of like, yeah, we're kind of like Roaring Kitty. We're like this was kind of like set up a year ago, and all of a sudden like we just kind of came back, and we kind of just appeared, and we're killing it, guys. We are killing it. Let's go ahead and see. Another thing is oh, that's on Facebook. Um well, you know what? YOLO, right? Let's see. Facebook. Probably gonna dox myself, but it's okay. It's okay. So we have Wall Street bets. Let's go. Let's go. Oops, hold on. Give me a second. So guys, yeah, we have Wall Street bets. Shouting out. Um, Purpe, let's see. Oh, there's a lot of there's a lot of people talking about the presidential debate. Let's see what we got. So, Purpe, let's go. So, what coins are you buying? I'm trying to see. There was a lot of Purpe recently. So, yeah, they probably because the presidential debate's going on. I think a lot of people are kind of posting about that. But the other one is, guys, this is the group. I'm trying to change the name. 10,000. Wow. I guess on the computer it shows a lot more. So 10,000 people. So let's see. When I click edit, no, can't do that. Where'd it go? It's weird on the computer. I'm so used to kind of doing this on the phone. Um, so yeah, it says where'd it go? Oh, I think it's here. I think you gotta click edit maybe? No. Anyway, guys, so when I just changed this a couple days ago, so I think the 7th I'm going to change it to Pepe and Purpe holders. And if anybody's good with art, if you guys can make me like half green and half Pepe, half Purpe, that would be amazing. Um for that. So let's see. Yeah, I don't think I could do that. But look, I've been shilling it. Look at this. Purple going crazy. I've been definitely shilling this. Look at that. Tune in to my Purple live starting soon. Look at that. Purple gonna blow. So definitely been shilling this in the chat, guys. Over 1 million market cap. Let's go. So we are definitely we're working hard. We are doing our thing, and we are going to make Perpe go to the moon, baby. Let's do this. So um, yeah, I like doing the Facebook on the computer, but then like these chats start popping up, and and then it gets so that's why normally I don't have the Facebook on, but definitely got some things going on the Facebook side, got some things going on the X side, got some things going on the Telegram side. So definitely doing my hardest and best to shill Perpe. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section or in the comment section in the chat. So used to not doing lives for a little bit. I kind of forgot the wording. So man, all right. So they're getting a little dry. So we definitely. Oh, that's another thing. So I have a lot of plots in TCG world. It's kind of crazy. I have my TCG hat right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but repping the TCG. I got all the merch, and so it'd be kind of cool to have some Purpe merch. That'd be pretty sweet. But I said I will donate a plot of land so that we can build a Purpe um headquarters in TCG world. So real quick, let me just go ahead and show you guys real quick, since we're kind of TCG.world. Um, Chris, the Wall Street Bets guy, he also was in this project for a little bit. And so right here, let me see, is it not going to show me? Where is my assets? So let's see. So yeah, I have a lot of plots, guys, and I am gonna donate one of these plots to Perpe. The metaverse is gonna open really soon. I think they're doing it strategically. They're gonna open it here very, very soon. Um I don't know exactly when. I think they're waiting for the market to really pick up. I mean, we have the Solana stuff going on and the meme stuff going on, but I think the general market hasn't picked up enough for them to really open up the metaverse. But it's pretty sweet. They opened up for a little bit and then they had to bring it back down. And like I was saying earlier, they have the they have Unity. They're building on Unity and they have a team from Unity actually helping them like build this. Really, really legit. So guys, I'm gonna donate one of these plots to Perpe and so that we can build a headquarters. Be pretty sweet. So if you go to the map, where to go? If you go to the map, you can kind of see that a lot of these have been taken up. And let me go ahead and wait for this to load. Here we go. So guys, I actually have, it's really cool. I have plots. Where'd it go? I think it's right in here. Oh, I don't know. Wait, is it there? Let's see. Asia, North. So I have a couple plots. Like, long story short, I don't know why this is, oh, there we go. Okay. So I have a plot. Let's see. There we go. Okay. Okay, I'm moving the web browser. Oops. I gotta move the actual thing. So, oh, I guess so I have a plot in here. I have like I think 11 plots. So I got in super super early. So definitely gonna donate one of those to building a headquarters in this. So this is pretty legit. Um and actually met the CEO. And so he is always looking at like bringing more people into the metaverse. So that is absolutely amazing, and that's something. As this continues, I am down to donate. Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Boom! Got it! Boom! Guys, let's go ahead. What did I say? What did I say? What did I say? We are bullish. We bounced off of that line. We bounced off of the support. That is bullish, 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 bullish. We bounced off the RSI. We bounced off of this line. We are heading up, guys. I think we're hitting those threes, and I think it is coming very, very, very soon. And Woo, this makes me bullish, man. We are bouncing. Like when you tell people something in the back of your mind, you're like, I really hope it does that because if it doesn't, I'm gonna look like an idiot. But it proved me right now. Watch, it's gonna have like a big red candle. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. It's not gonna do that. It's not gonna do that. Happy thoughts, positive thoughts. Let's go. Let's do this. Let's get bullish. Let's get up to a $10 million market cap, then a $20 million market cap, then a $100 million market cap, then a half a billion, then a billion. Let's be on the top 10 of the um let's be on the top 10 on CoinMarketCap. Oh, that's another thing, guys. Um the dev did say that he was working on getting us on CoinMarketCap. That is one of his that's his next goal. He said he didn't realize how important he was. He's been in and out of these projects, um, other projects, but he hasn't ran a project before. So this is his first real project, and so I guess he didn't realize how important CoinMarketCap was. And so like a lot of people were like, "Hey, what's up with CoinMarketCap? What's up with CoinMarketCap?" So he said that is his next thing on his list, but it's like 5 grand. So um, put in the comment section down below, how many people would be down to kind of donating if there was a marketing wallet created? He didn't ask for this. I'm just asking for this. Like not to me, but I'm just saying if there was one created, like if I was like, hey, it looks like a lot of people, how many people would be willing to kind of donate to the cause, to helping create a marketing wallet for the progression of the project, for the progression of Purpe. Um, Adverts on Deck Screener worth it. Starts at 299. Yeah, actually, I've like I said, I helped out with what's it called? Crazy Frog. And we did do that. We did do that. Hey, let's go. We got our first person that NX VX Skins is willing to donate. I'm willing to donate. I'm willing to donate. Like, I think I don't know if this still stands, but the dev even said he was willing to put in like $1,000 to get it started if it was ever or when that time came, which sounds like it's soon. So, deck screener, yeah, I mean, I have, how do I want to say it? I've only been a part of like one, two, three launches. One project I was actually with for like 3 months, which was Crazy Frog, and then one of the guys in there launched his own project, so I was kind of involved with that, but it takes a lot of money, so. Um, and then the whole thing happened where they asked me to kind of stop, and so blah blah blah. So, and then like a lot of people, like the quarter 2 started, and things were kind of going downhill, and some other stuff happened. So, anyway, deck screener, I have heard that that is very very crucial for a project. So, the 299 I think would be beneficial. Yeah. And I also have connections to some YouTubers that are really big. Let's see. So if you guys have never heard of, let's see what we got. So let's go on YouTube.com. YouTube.com. If you guys have never heard of Tyler Hill Investing, um, I have his 92.2 thousand subscribers. I've actually did business with him. I've actually dealt with him. I it was little did I know, you have to be really careful. So, in my journey with Crazy Frog, I learned that you have to be extremely careful because there's a lot of scammers, a lot of posers, a lot of people acting like they are somebody that they're not. There was a time that we thought we were getting this famous YouTuber, and like we went to his Instagram and he had like 100,000 followers, and at the end of the day, he was a scammer and scammed us out of a couple $100. I think it was almost like $1,000. But um, moral of the story, you have to make sure that you're talking to the person that you think you talk to. So he runs Tyler Hill Investing. So he has his channel, and then he also so. He has that. He also has Matthew Perry, which has 223 subscribers underneath his channel. He also has Connor Kinney, I think. Connor Kinney, I want to say. Yep, Connor Kinney, 197,000 subscribers on his channel. And So I think he also has a bunch of other ones, but those are the three main ones. So I do have his contact, official, legit. I've done business with him, and pretty cool guy. And so I have his contact. I also have because there's you also got to be careful. Like these are YouTubers that actually have like legit views. Another thing I found out is some of the other YouTubers they'll pay for like synthetic subscribers and viewers and um like there's another girl that I forgot her name. She had like 500,000 people and so we paid her and she did a video and all of a sudden um it got like 2,000 views, but no comments, no likes, no nobody coming in. But these three, I know that they have legit people. House of Crypto is another one. I don't have his contact information, and then there's some other people out there as well. So anyway, moral of the story: you got to be careful on when you're reaching out to people. A lot of people, are trying to scam. Especially, we were in talks with, what's it called? An exchange, and come to find out that was a scammer as well. Super, seemed super legit. Had like a whole, um, LinkedIn page and all that stuff. So you got to be really careful. I learned that when it comes to dealing with the people for the exchanges, you'll have to take their handle and actually put it into there's a website. Most of the exchanges have a website that you can verify, and if that comes up, it's not, it's, you gotta be careful. Anyway, back to Purpe. I feel like I got off on a wild tangent. Look at that, guys. Look at that. We have bounced off of this support and we have broke this resistance once again. We have to close this candle. If we can close this candle green, guys, I believe that this will be kind of like a little cup and handle, and we have broke it. And kind of like if you guys see it? You guys see it? Here, let me show you. So, guys, little cup and the handle. Let's go. Cup and handle. That is a bullish sign. That means we are bouncing off of this RSI, and that is getting pretty bullish. So let's go, baby. Let's go. So we really just need a break this line right here. Like we got to break the kind of get back in the two and a halves, go to the threes, and go from there. So anyway, guys, let's see. Should we keep going? Shall we keep going? Or is that a good stream for today? Kind of like at that hour mark. I really try to hit that hour mark. I feel like the hour mark is kind of like that sweet spot where like I can talk enough about a project. But like maybe like 30 minutes to an hour. After that, I feel like people, you probably guys are probably sleeping on me here and and probably like I bet you yeah, so look at this, guys. We are absolutely breaking out. Let's see. Look at that. We want to pass that million. We keep getting up there. We kind of like doop, get up there, and then we kind of come back down. And then we boop, get up there, kind of come back down. We are fighting to pass that million dollar range, guys. Let's see. Boom. We have $500 buy, $200 buy. Let's see what else we got. $149 buy. Let's see. What other buys do we have? Let's see. So, I mean, it's pretty healthy volume, right? We have buys and sells, pretty healthy volume, and that is something that is definitely a positive thing for the charts and for the and for crypto in general, is to have healthy volume. You can't have straight up, you can't have straight down. Kind of bouncing is good. Like I said, I think we're gonna come up and bounce off of this. Can you imagine telling people I got into Purpe? um, at a under $1 million market cap. So, I got into Pepe under $100 million market cap, Perpe at a under $1 million market cap. And just imagine if this goes to 10 million, you are 10xing. That's $1,000 to 10 grand. And then once it hits 10 million, it's very easy to kind of work your way up. So anyway, guys, I think we are going to call it a night. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and you know what? Make sure you get some Purpe. Make sure you guys go and go to the X page, the Twitter page, and follow. Give it a follow. Let's see if we can get this over 1,000 followers by tomorrow. And that is my goal. We're almost at that $1 million market cap, and that was my first goal. We did hit that, and we're kind of hovering right there. And now my next goal is 1,000 followers on X. So go ahead, subscribe to this channel, go on, follow the X account, and let me know what you guys are thinking in the comment section down below. Anyway, guys, take